I'm at the Unleash World Conference in Paris, the 2023 edition, and I'm here standing next to Ákos Zsuffa from PractiWork. Hi.
Hi, nice to see you.
So can you tell me something about your role at PractiWork?
Yes, my name is Ákos Zsuffa. I'm the CEO and also co-founder of PractiWork, a Hungarian startup company.
So what do you do with PractiWork?
PractiWork is a complex measurement system. We use practical and also immersive tests to acquire work-related parameters from an individual and give them to the result sheet. And also we can suggest development fields to them. And this is the main character of PractiWork. We use in this measurement system abilities, also skills, and characteristics, personal traits and attitudes, and also work interest, more than 70 parameters from an individual.
So for what kind of jobs can it be used?
We use more than 1,000 jobs, including jobs for the deskless workers. We can call them blue-collar workers. It's really important because we use a device and equipment tools, which is really interesting in nowadays when almost everyone uses all this software and digital tools. But we do believe that we use our hands. So we measure hand-eye coordination. We measure hand stability and things like that, which is really important because while we are human, we use our hands. We use everything when we're in the working area.
So can you mention the main benefits for recruiters using your tool?
This is really important. We give an objective result from an individual, which is really important because in the CVs and the bias, when there's a selection or a recruitment process, it's really important that this is objective based on data. And I think it's really important. And also in the CVs there are degrees, and we in the PractiWork do believe that nowadays the skills are more important than degrees, and it is really important to measure the skills, measure the abilities, and also the attitudes, because together it's a holistic approach we use.
But I can also imagine the physical part of it, the tools you use, not online only, but also to do things physical, is different from other companies.
Yeah, it's really difficult. It seems to be really difficult, but it's really easy because these devices are really transportable, and altogether maybe in one room. With one instructor, there could be more than 20 candidates or candidate attendees who use this device, and that is our business model because now we are in several countries in Europe, and we also want to go to abroad because nowadays, especially in Europe, more than 20% of the workforce are from foreign or migrant workers. And it's really important that we have. That they should have their possibilities.
What kind of customers or sectors are using your solution?
Especially from if I mean sectors, mostly the automotive sector, the logistic, also the FMCG sectors, big companies with a lot of workers. Mostly them deskless workers, and also we have a part which is in the career orientation in the education sector, which is really important at the age of 10 or at the age of 12 or 14. Who will be I am. So it's really important in the career guidance and the career orientation field.
So can you explain a little bit how it works for a recruiter? Where do he start, and how does the results look like? And we can see pictures of it when you answer this question.
Okay, so there is this evaluation sheet, and there's a lot of things. So there's a verbal result, also numbers, percentages, and a lot of diagraph. We can use this more than 70 parameters I mentioned. So it's really interesting. It's a really long one, but you can understand it in a really easy formal way.
So if you look at the most asked question nowadays is of course about AI. Are you using AI now or maybe in the future?
Yes, we of course we use it because we use a lot of data. We have a statistical method, which is really being to AI. Also, the machine learning, what we use from years from now. So we use AI because the European Union has a clear statement that machine learning is a part of AI.
So if you look to the future, 2024 to start with, what's on your roadmap?
It's a really good question. We're going to go to more international level, especially the C countries, the Southeastern Asia countries, where are really huge amount. Sorry for the amount, but of amount of workers, and also want to meet big European firms or companies.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.